Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to create stroke outer. So you can create for the example object with these brush tools, and I will choose this brush style. Okay, you can draw in it. Now if you want to create stroke outer, you can go to filter tools and then click on style. Now you can choose this option, stroke outer. You can change the color in it, like I will set into the blue color. And then you can change for the width. Also you can set for the anti-alias into these objects. If you don't, you can click these check buttons to set the stroke outer. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to create stroke outer. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.